My name is Amy Mazzi, and I'm with Centurion and Supreme Boats, and today I am with you from Fort Worth, Texas. We are at the 2020 World Wake Surfing Championship, towed by the all-new RI 265, and behind me, the RI 245.
I am one of the official drivers of Worlds. It's my first time. My relationship with Centurion Boats goes back to North Carolina. About 3 years now, we've been doing our Operation Wake Surf and our Pass the Handle program out in North Carolina.
So this is the 24th World Wake Surf Championship that Centurion Boat has pulled. And we have world champions that have their best ride ever in a competition behind our boats.
Number one spot, retaining her world championship status. Also coming out of Florida, Miss Jenny Grassman. Earning his championship title in his first Pro World Wake Surf Championships, Mr. Tyler Stewart. World champion, her name is Ashley King. Somebody is now taking back his number one spot, Mr. Keenan.
RI 265, baby.